Why do engines start consuming oil after a specific amount of kilometers? Well, when you use a brand new oil, I have a few oils over here. For example, we have a 0W30 Volkswagen original genuine oil, 1 quart or 1 liter. The engine has this viscosity, 0W30. After you start using an oil within the engine, it starts lubricating, it starts cooling. If, in case you didn't know, oil has 3 purposes: lubrication, cooling, and cleaning. Oil cleans the engine, and the particles, metallic microparticles, are kept within the oil filter. So this is done with the help of the oil. Its main purpose is lubrication, but it also cools the engine. There are engines that have only oil, they don't have coolant, engine coolant, the so-called air-cooled. They're not really air-cooled, they have a larger amount of oil, and the oil is the coolant. There's no such thing as having an engine without any kind of cooling. The cooling is done via oil. So you start using the oil. You start driving your car. The oil is subjected to stress, wear and tear, high temperatures, and switches from cold to hot, cold to hot. You have cold starts, it goes to 100 degrees Celsius. That's the optimum operating temperature for oils, for engine oils. You can have 110, 120, no problem, but generally it stays between 90 and 110. 100 is the sweet spot, optimum functionality of the vehicle, of the engine. And over time, the polymers within the oil start to disintegrate. They start to get shorter, smaller, and the oil gets thinner and thinner and thinner. And after, I don't know, 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 kilometers, you don't have 0W30 anymore. You have a 0W20, maybe. I don't know exactly how much it degrades, but I will tell you for sure, I know from this, guys, from an official presentation, that oil degrades and it loses its viscosity. It gets thinner and thinner while time goes by, while you subject that oil to stress, heat, and work. So in case you use this oil, it's 0W20. After 10,000 kilometers, it will be a 0W12, 0W10. You have the Toyota genuine oil for hybrids, which already has 0W8. After 10,000 miles, what viscosity will you have? 0W2? I don't know. It's hilarious. But anyways, my point is that you get an oil, everything is fine, no oil consumption, everything works well, and after 7, 8, 9, 10,000 kilometers, you start noticing that your engine consumes oil. That's not because your engine has any problems. That's because the oil starts losing its properties, it gets thinner, and you don't have a 0W30, you have maybe a 0W20 or even worse. And this signals that you need to replace the engine oil. And this is also how you can tell if an engine oil is high quality or not. If it starts consuming oil, that oil, after 5,000 kilometers, 7,000 kilometers, it's a low quality oil. It's not fully synthetic in real terms, it's a cheap oil, and your engine doesn't like it that much. If your engine oil starts getting consumed over 10, 12, 15,000 kilometers, it means it's a great oil. This brand, if you live in the US, I don't think you know this brand, or in Canada or other parts of the world. This is an oil which is made exclusively in Germany, and it's very popular in Europe, in some parts of Europe. And I sell it in Romania because I like it, because it's 100% genuine, and it's made only in Germany and in no other parts of the world. It has a lot of authenticity, security features to check if it's genuine, and it has USVO, ultra strong viscosity oil. Its base oil, which is very important for a high quality oil, is made exclusively out of PAO, polyalpha olefins, which is entirely fully synthetic. Modern oils have the base oil from a lower quality, and it degrades faster. It's not bad, but it degrades faster. This base degrades slower, and if you keep this oil from 10 to 15,000 kilometers, you won't notice any degradation, anything bad. It won't get that thinner. It will get, but not that bad. So my point is that, one, you can tell if an engine oil is poor quality or not, and second, if you notice this, that your engine starts consuming oil, it means that you need to change the engine oil. And that's it. It's super simple. I just wanted to explain you the technical stuff behind this phenomenon. It's completely normal, and don't panic. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.